So I added some more of the honey, aloe vera juice, the whole blends conditioner, and the mayonnaise with the olive oil and avocado because I do have a lot of hair and I don't think it will be enough to cover all of my hair. And I also want to put some in baby girl's hair. Yeah, oh my God, give me this spray bottle. Oh Jesus, my hair. I need to wait. Next, I'm going to put my hot bag on for about 30 minutes and wash out and be ready for Monday. Okay, I washed out the protein / deep conditioning and oh, my hair is so soft. I also did it in Amira's hair, and basically what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I'm going to wash and go my hair in the morning or I'm just going to put it in a ponytail, let it air dry and do something with it. I have not figured out what to do. So, anybody got suggestions, please drop them below. Or I may just put some leave-in conditioner in it and wear it like this. Easier said than done. Alright you guys, this concludes my little protein deep treatment procedure, not procedure, but hair procedure maybe. And I will get back with you with any questions you may have. Just drop them below. Happy Sunday, love always, encourage, and be kind to everyone.